This is your femur arc, which is really like your dead bug, but we're starting from above. So we're going to start in tabletop. Now we're going to again press your hands on your pubic bone so you can feel whether you get lots of up and down movement. And as you sigh out, we're going to take one leg to tabletop. And as you sigh, we're going to try and bring the other leg to tabletop too. We're just going to then take one leg down and the other leg down. So what I want you to feel as we keep doing this movement is that there's not much changing both in the back or the front of you as you do this. So if you notice that you go into a really big kind of curve in your lumbar back, or that you brace and you really try and hold your breath as you do this, this is the place where you're going to work at, or you can regress it back to your dead bug. So try this with both legs. So I'm going to go right leg leads now. So one leg to tabletop, the other leg joins us. And you will get a little bit of a shift in your pelvis. That's really normal. But you should be able to feel that your tummy stays relatively spread and your pelvis stays relatively quiet. And we're going to pause at the top. From there, you can let your hands rest by your side. And as you sigh, we're going to work on that toe tap again. So we're going to let one leg come down towards the floor and then it's going to come back up again. So we can use that exhale breath down and inhale breath up. And we're going to keep going here. So we're going to keep alternating. So I want you to feel that you can breathe the whole time. You could hold a conversation and you'll start to notice that there's a tightening across your abdominals as you naturally do this. Just like your dead bugs, we're looking to move from the back of your thigh and we're trying to keep those three heavy points, so back of your tail, back of your ribs and back of your head, relatively still. So try to see if you can go a little bit slower on the way down to come quicker up. So there's a little bit of a difference in speed. This way, you're going to load through your deeper abdominal muscles, but also you're going to work in a long position through your hip flexors, which is only ever a good thing. Great, so we're going to do a couple more. And really see if you can focus that movement in on your hip, just moving around in your pelvis and your stability staying within that pelvis. We're then going to take one leg to the floor and the other.